What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to my boy house. He do a lot of these case swaps. I'm gonna head over there and I'm gonna grab a fuel rail from him. Hopefully it works out for what I'm trying to do here today. If not, then we'll just move on to the next thing. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Head over there. I might get some videos over there, I might not. I'll keep you guys updated. That's what I'm headed to do right now. Yeah, I'm back. Picked up the fuel rail. Really wasn't anything interesting over there for me to record. He always got some interesting cars, but nothing there that he was working on today. So I just went over there, picked up the fuel rail, chat for a bit, and now I'm back. I'm gonna show you guys the fuel rail. It's a AFI fuel rail. I was gonna go with the K-Tune one, but I was like, you know what, forget it. My buddy got this AFI one. I'm gonna just grab this one, let this one work for now. I'll end up powder coating it and letting it work with my setup. It's a dash 8 fit in. I'm gonna just get an 8 to 10 and then use that for the feed side, but that's all I'm gonna do. It's I'm gonna just powder coat it with the rest of the stuff. I gotta get powder coated once the car is up and running, and I'll show you guys what that is in a second. And now here's the fuel rail. It's just a simple AFI fuel rail, nothing special. Get it cleaned up and get it powder coated, and it'll look good in there. I'm gonna move this one to over here, and then get for over here I'm gonna get a dash 10. This is a dash 8. Get a dash 10. So that's what we'll do. For now, I'm gonna just get the spacers and put on there, put it on the manifold and bolt it down and leave it into place. Like I said, it don't look too bad in here, don't it? Should look kind of decent. Don't mind these rusted bolts. I'll end up taking out and replace those when I get everything here powder coated. I want this repowder coated, this powder coated. This is gonna powder coat to match this. This and the throttle body will be powder coated to match each other, and then that'll be powder coated to match. I'll get the wastegate covers powder coated to match that, so it'll look good, it'll look decent, won't look too bad. For now, let's cut to a cinematic shot of this fuel rail. Looking good, right? Oh, hell yeah, coming together. Can't wait, man. Like, I'm excited to get this shit done. I know I've been working on it for a while, but we're gonna get it there. But for now, I'll probably go ahead and I was gonna run this return line, but I'm waiting on the fuel pressure regulator to get here. So when that get here, I'll probably run that fully. I don't know, I might go ahead and run it today, just mock it up from the front back here and bolt it on, and then I'll just cut it and fit it up once the fuel pressure regulator gets here. Alright, this is what I'm going to do. This is I'm going to run the return line. I know I had the return line on the other side and the feed line on this side, but running everything over here kind of seemed crowded. The throttle body will be right here. The cable is going to be right here. I'm going to have to cut these lines right here and freaking tuck them back under. These are the heater core lines. But the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want everything crowded over here and another hose to run down here or a feed line to run up here. So I'm going to run the feed line on that side. It's going to come through. Then I'm going to loop the return line back. I already had these fit in, so I might as well put the return line loop back on this side instead of freaking looping it back over there or whatever it may be. So I just loop it back from here to go back the other side. The feed line will come up. It'll probably come up this way, and they'll tuck it back against the wall or something back there and then run across. It'll have enough hose to do that. But once this comes back across, I'll probably tuck the fuel pressure regulator. Once it comes back across, I'll probably tuck the fuel pressure regulator like either right there or right back up under there, so it'll be out of the way. Matter of fact, I'll probably tuck it right here. You know, it'll be out of the way and I can still see it and all that shit. So that's what I'm gonna do. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on Amazon and I'm gonna look for O-ring dash 8 to put in here. It's a O-ring 8 to 10 to go in there. So that's what it's gonna be. Honestly, was gonna go ahead and just run these lines right now, but I'm gonna hold off on that. I'm gonna get the fuel pressure regulator so I could just mock it up one time and bolt it all up, and then cut the return line where I need to feed into the regulator, then cut it from the regulator back to the tank. So for now, this is all I'm gonna do. I show y'all I got the fuel rail and plans for all the colors and everything. So remember, powder coated, 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 all that shit gonna be powder coated. This is still, I'm thinking if I want to do this black or blue, but whatever color I do this is the color I want to do this as well. So if I do this blue, then I want to do this blue with like an accent in here. But what I was thinking also is I could do this blue, keep this black, and then put a blue accent in there, put a blue accent there, blue accent on the throttle body, and blue wastegate caps or whatever. But I don't know, man. But we're definitely gonna see what works out, whether it's gonna be blue or black, or I was thought about red, but no disrespect to all the bloods out there, but I don't really like red that much. I don't. It's not really my favorite color. Yeah, I got a lot of red rags in the garage, but it's not really my favorite color when it comes to, you know what I'm saying, putting shit on cars. Like, no disrespect to all the bloods, all the gangbangers out there. When you see me in the streets, don't be running up on me trying to hit me up because I don't like your, you know what I'm saying, I don't like the color that you rep. It's not like that. It's just not my favorite color. Alright? What I have right here right now is the bracket for the fuel rail. Shit fit perfectly in the front of the car. I was doing my little MacGyver shit and I built this, you know, the walls aren't fucking 100% on it, but guess what? It works and it holds. So what I'm going to do, what's the plan now, is to drill this out. It's to drill all these holes out right here. Right? See that? These little holes, drill all 4 of those out. And put some 10mm riv nuts in there. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is drill these out. I probably won't put that on video, but this is the fuel cell right here. This is a dash 8 return, but it's got a dash 10. It's a 10 to 8. So that's what I'm gonna be running for my return line. And this is my fuel tank, so I just want to put it in there, and I don't want to have to put a nut on the bottom of these ones. I put the bolt in there, so that's why I'm gonna put the riv nuts in that. Bro, what I forgot is that I took the battery tray out the front of the car, and I need to put that back in there before I put the damn fuel cell back in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bolt that battery tray back in and make sure that shit is secured. Alright, bro, so what I did, I put one bolt there, put one bolt there, put another one here and another one there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up putting these power wires together somehow and running a long wire from there all the way through here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mount the battery right up under here. So that's where the battery's gonna go, right here. I'll probably take off this little tote thing, move these damn wires out the way, zip tie them somewhere, you know, the JDM zip ties, put them bitches somewhere, take this out, build a little bracket to go right here, put the bracket in there, boom, put a battery right in there, and start this motherfucker up. And bro, once again, this is how this damn bracket will fit in here for the fuel cell. And y'all be like, hey Dre, why you ain't drill the hole through there and then put the bolt through there that'll hold this thing down, and then it'll hold this thing down as well? But look here, motherfucker, if I drill the hole here and put the bolt down through there, then I'm gonna have something running on the bottom of the fuel tank, and I don't want the shit to eventually leak. So that's why I didn't drill a hole there and put them 2 damn bolts through here. So what I'm gonna do, I have 4 bolts, and yeah, this ain't connected to anything right here, but this is pretty stern. This is pretty steady, and the fuel tank is a square, and that shit is solid. So when I bolt everything to this will not move right there. Everything will be together. Once again, thank everybody for visiting the channel. I want to thank everyone that's helping me push to that 1K subscriber mark. I know it's not much to a lot of people, but that shit is huge to me. I never thought that, you know, like I got this far, you know, just being on YouTube. I'm really not here to freaking say I'm here for the money and all that, which that'd be a lie. Everybody likes money, but I'm really not here to look to get like, oh, I'm trying to get 1K to get monetized. No, that's just the goal for me. When I started vlogging again, I told myself that was a goal, you know, to hit 1K subscribers, so I'm almost there. When I get to 1K subscribers, I'll probably give away something, probably some stickers, and then I'll probably give away like an Amazon gift card or something like that. So you guys help me push forward. I appreciate every one of you guys that's out there helping me out. And also, for you guys that like the giveaway parts, hit your boy up, man. I see it. A lot of YouTube vloggers and, you know, automotive people, they always getting parts and shit. Hit your boy up. I like parts too. You know, all them used parts that you about to sell on offer up, or you about to give away, you doing this, or you doing that. K-Series parts, man. If you got K-Series parts, hit me up. The shit that I like, I don't know. Expensive shit. I like expensive shit like some ID 2000 injectors. You know what I'm saying? On some real though, I need like a half shaft for the K20. If any of you guys have one of those, the K20 A2 half shaft, that'll work because I could get some axles after I get that. That's what I'm waiting on. I don't even know what else, man. I need injectors, half shaft. If any of y'all got like a throttle body that could fit the skunk 2 intake manifold, hit me up. I'm not looking for this shit for free. I'll purchase this shit. You guys just gotta hit me up and let me know, hey, this is what I got, and hey, you know, whatever the fuck you want to tell me, just hit me up and tell me you got the part need, or hey, you're gonna send me a part, or hey, you're gonna do this, or hey, you want a shout out, hey, you know, hook me up with some followers, whatever, blah blah blah. I'll shout you out on Instagram, you know, I'll shout you out on my YouTube. So once again, like, share, subscribe, tell a family member, tell a friend, tell a dog, cat, rat, whoever's in your house, tell the roaches. If you got roaches, man, hit the roaches up and be like, hey, y'all go follow Dre, help him get the 1K, comment, and then at 1K mark, we're gonna give away something, stickers, Amazon gift card. I'll probably get some shirts together and give those away as well. So if you vlog and you following your boy, shout your boy out, you know what I'm saying? Help me get to that 1K, boy, come on, boy. But appreciate all you guys, appreciate all my followers on Instagram and all my followers here. Instagram link is right here. Follow me now.